well, here at this site, the site director tells me that things have slowed down a bit lately, both for vaccinations and testing, but he expects it to pick right back up tomorrow when, for the first time, that booster shot is available here at this site and all of the other sites in the Southern Nevada Health District. Tonight, we saw just a small number trickle in for tests or a dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. But starting Tuesday, anyone who's 65 or older, adults in long-term care settings, those with underlying medical conditions, and anyone that is at an increased risk of exposure due to their job can roll up their sleeves for the booster shot.
If you feel that you're definitely highly exposed and we have the vaccine here, then we'll give you the vaccine.
But to receive the booster, you have to have had your second dose of Pfizer at least 6 months ago. The sites will confirm in its database if your last shot matches that criteria. The Stan Fulton site director, Josh Lush, says he does expect the numbers to pick back up this week, with some eager to get their third shot. This clinic can administer as many as 500 doses in a day.
Yeah, so I'm expecting an increase for sure. I just don't know the amount and I don't know how many, so we're kind of hoping to see a lot. I mean, obviously that's our goal here.
You can also get your booster shots at pharmacies like CVS and Walgreens. And some have already received their third dose under different criteria than the booster. For a week now at Stan Fulton and other SNHD sites, immunocompromised Southern Nevadans can receive the third dose. That can be for both Moderna and Pfizer, and it only has to be at least 28 days after your second dose. Lush says at his site they've only administered about 30 of those so far.
The immunocompromised is kind of a hard thing for some people that just don't understand, do I fit in this criteria, am I this criteria, where do I need to be at to get the shot? So tomorrow is going to make it a lot easier for people if they have like any kind of medical issues, things like that, underlying medical causes. If they work in a field where they feel like they're extremely highly exposed, and that opens them up right there for that third shot.
And so if you are eligible, just show up with your vaccine card and your ID to be safe, and they'll confirm your eligibility for this. And again, this all starts tomorrow. This will be one of the sites, and it opens at 5 o'clock tomorrow. And this is just for people who received their first 2 doses as Pfizer. Reporting live, Drew Andre, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.